Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store using OPPO Reno 7. So in order to do that we'll need to open our Google Play Store and let's try finding Call of Duty now. So there's no game visible right here, and in order to fix that we need to go back, press on our profile icon, then go to Settings, Family, Parental Controls, and from here you can either disable the parental controls by typing in your PIN like that and press OK, or going to Apps and Games, type in your PIN and reduce it to PEGI 3, like 18, sorry, and then press Save. Go back, try to find the game again, and it should be here. You can press on Install and it should download on your device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.